Hello guys, I'm Lavish from Albatross Education Center, coming here to teach you chemistry for class 9th. We will discuss chapter number 1, matter in our surrounding. So basically in the previous part we discussed about the definition of matter, definition of non-matter and definition of particles. Now we will more discuss about the matter and particle thing. As I told you in the previous lecture, matter is something which occupy space and have some mass. Example, this pen, this notebook, my phone, your phone in which you are seeing my video, that particular study table, everything is a matter. While what is a non-matter? That doesn't occupy any space and doesn't have any mass are called non-matter. Example, your feelings, your hardness, your cold, your cough, your fever, they are just the feelings, they are not the any matter. So that's why they called as non-matter. Now we will discuss more about matter and what kind does made matter, what things made matter. Actual matter is made up of small particles. Is made up of small particles. Example, your body. Your body is made up of a small cell. Your body is made up of small cell, because the cell is the smallest part that makes your complete body, while your home is made up of small bricks, small bricks. As you all know that when we are constructing our home, we use small bricks to make a big house that we are living. So that's why I'm telling you a matter is made up of small particles. Now what are particles is? Particles are the smallest part which make matter, but the particles are made up of atoms and molecule. Guys, remember that atoms and molecule are the important part of any chemistry. In a class 11th or class 12, we have to learn more about atoms and molecule, and also the whole chemistry things are going round and round toward the atoms and molecule things. So we discuss more about atom and molecule in the next parts, or also in the next chapters. But we till now discuss about the definition of atoms and molecule. So what is the definition of atom, guys? The smallest element of compound. The smallest element of a compound is called atom. Is called atom. Example, Fe of iron, Cl for chlorine, chromium for Cl for chromium, Cd for cadmium, C for carbon, O for oxygen, N for nitrogen. These are the smallest part. Which make iron gate, a chlorine tablet, a chromium bar, cadmium bar, carbon ring. Example, graphite and diamond are the carbon, oxygen cylinder, nitrogen, or nitrogen makes ammonia, NH3. So these are the basic examples of atom. I repeat it again, atom and molecule are the backbone of chemistry. We will discuss more about atom and molecule in a serious part in the chapter number 3rd for class 9th and also in the class 11th. So we discuss more about atom. Just till now we discuss about the definition of atom. The smallest element of a compound is called atom. Example, Fe for iron, Cl for chlorine, Cl for chromium, Cd for cadmium, C for carbon, O for oxygen, N for nitrogen. Now what is definition of molecule? When two or more than two atoms are combined, to form a new compound is called molecule. Example, H of hydrogen, O2 for oxygen forms H2O, that is water. Na of sodium, Cl for chlorine form NaCl, that is common salt, the table salt that you are using in a food. Cl plus Cl from chlorine, that is used for disinfecting the water. आपको पता होगा आपकी जो नगर निगम है, म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन है, वो क्या करती है वाटर को प्योरीफाई करने के लिए? अभी वो Cl2 को यूज़ करते हैं, क्लोरीन को यूज़ करते हैं, जिससे कि आपके वाटर को डिसइंफेक्टेंट किया जा सके. नाउ गाइस, अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग दैट oxygen, your sodium and your chlorine makes NaOCl, that is sodium hypochloride. आजकल आपने सुना होगा कि म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन डिसइंफेक्ट कर रही, सैनिटाइज कर रही है आपके एरियाज को. वो क्या यूज़ करते हैं? एक्चुअली दे आर यूजिंग 1% ऑफ सोडियम हाइपोक्लोराइड टू सैनिटाइज योर एरिया. बिकॉज वाई? इट इज़ अ यूनिक प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ sodium and chlorine to kill the bacteria along with the oxygen. So that's why it is an antioxidant solution which disinfect the complete area and also sanitize your area very quickly. That's why whole municipal corporation using 1% of solution of sodium hypochlorite. What do you mean 1%? In 100 ml of water they are adding just 1 ml of sodium hypochlorite. It is a very costly thing, that's why they are using only 1%, and above 2% is very poisonous. It is very poisonous above 2%. Remember it, sodium hypochlorite above 2% is very poisonous. I hope you guys note all the things of matter, particle, definition of atom, definition of molecule, and sodium hypochlorite. Rest we discuss about the more in next parts. So guys, start learning and continue learning. It is a lockdown period. Don't waste your time, and I hope you will learn everything from us. Thank you.